Oh my gosh, ngayon lang nag-record. We're eating, guys. Before we proceed to our boarding gate. Hi guys, it's currently 5:41, so mga 6-ish pa lang. And kapag merienda slash dinner na kami. So, we still have 4 more hours to go. Okay na. Say at samosa agad. Yan. Bollard Talks. Kung ganito daw ang bollard sa Pilipinas, di sana hindi daw maalis. True. Hello, me? Abby! Hi! Good boy! Say hi to the camera! Hi! I miss you! Hello! Dali, dali! Uy, dali! You're going home? Why is your hair so wet? Hawakan mo to. You What's that? Mimo! What's that? Ayan si Grandpa! Mimo! Nagugula ang bata. Matcha? Matcha ba? Cheers! Si Nana pagka ko, diretso ka ganito.
Boy, Nana, excuse me.
Hi! Mama, Nana, What's that? Hi guys! It's our day 1 in Dubai, and wala naman masyadong ganap. They're just gonna go to Viva and day-to-day. Tapos yung kids, mag-scooter lang sila sa parking. So we're here in Dubai because Kiki and Ellie and Kuya Eric is also going here. So it's the first time that we're gonna be complete after almost 6 years, I think. So, ayun. Kaya din ako nagba-vlog for memories kasi nakakatuwa panoodin or balik-balikan yung mga vlogs ko before. And before yun na, ang liliit pa ng mga babies, it's only Bella and Ellie. But right now, ang dami na namin. 18 na kami sa family, guys. Oh my God. So, ayun. I'm gonna vlog for memories lang. Yan, hamak ko na lang. Birds! We're buying flowers for Kiki and Ellie. Pero ito cute. Oo. Pero ito cute. Bilaban time! We're here in Bilaban. Ayan. And we're gonna try Oreo Pashari. Ooh, yums. And then we have Dubai cheese bomb. First bite. Oreo Pashari.
You got this sophistication. I hate when we talk through our phones.
Di ba
So we're here na sa airport.
Tatawid pa pumasok dun sa may
Sunduin namin sila
arrival sa
Kiki.
airport.
Actually, andito na sila, pero inintay lang namin sina Kuya Bugoy. Makita na namin sila. Waiting lang kami kina Kuya Bugoy and kina Pa. Thank you.
I have love for you. Ay, matinig ma, matinig. Ay, matinig.
Oh my God! Hot boy na! Hot nanad! Oh, shit.
Say hi.
Let's take a picture. Come on, let's take a picture.
You
Yeah, flowers? Manggaan na kayong dalawa.
Videoan mo.
Yan, si Boboy daw. Pinapang ka daw siya ni Boboy. Yan, nagtampo na si Nana.
Galit siya, Naya, galit.
That's is the most important. Tada! Sephora. And bag. Why? Anaya, broke your toy?
Iya, nagtampo yung isa, why? Natapin.
I miss you! Yeah.
Give me your bag, give me your bag. Give me your bag.
Everyone is here! Yan na! Nakakala naman ni Alana yun si Anaya eh. Hi guys! Where are we going?
Hello, my friends.
Hi guys! It's 6:40 p.m. and we're gonna walk to B1, eat dinner sa Grandios, and grocery sa MOE. We're here! Hi guys! So, nagkakagulo na naman sila. We're going to MOE na. Dapat magti-Tim Hortons lang kami dito. Ayan, may Tim Hortons sa likod. Pero gusto daw ni Ellie sa Big Mall. So, mag-MOE tayo, which is, eto lang naman. So, tatawid lang kami basically.
I wanna know what you listen to.
Kasalukuyan pong nagkakagulo, mga batang ito. So, we're here. Here's the setup. Here's Icho boy! Icho! Ah, you want balloon, Icho?
Salamat po Lord for the ninongs and ninangs who answered our request to be the second parents of our son.
We have our hopes and our dreams, every little thing between. Maybe this can't be.
Nagawa ng balloon, iyak siya! Ay! Ano mo sila nahahanana? Saan ka na?
Broke down to the no you gave me, saying that you had to think it through.
Na para bang grocery sila.
Kasama din.
Hi! Yeah. We're going down in Almadina. Hi guys! It's February 15 and it's currently 4:30ish p.m. So we're here sa Moshriff Park because nagbook kami ng photographer for our family picture since ayun nga, after almost 6 years, ngayon lang ulit kami na-complete and siguro yung next is mga 2 to 3 years pa. And we're wearing white and brown. Dala kaya nila yung brown kung ayan, ang cute. Okay, so nagpipicturean na sila.
Paralyzed state of mind. Still my eyes go drip, 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 drip.
Yung may BTS ng RC Photography.
Kiss pa siya kayo.
Ali!
Baboy! So pogi to kuya! Baboy! Hi guys! We're done with the photo shoot and we're on the way to Algonair. We're gonna eat hamad. Bye!
Thank you, Lord. Hindi na.
We're seated. Here's the menu. We have lettuce, broccoli, radish, kimchi, peanuts, kimchi, hot dog, and tofu. This is my favorite drink. McDonald's peach iced tea. Haha. Wala yung mag-focus. Let's eat! We have beef and chicken since walang pork dito. Kamusta kayo dyan, guys? Wala. Busy silang lahat. Oh no! Inside your hands! Inside your hands! Dirty yan! Stand up! Oh no! What happened to Boboy? Yahiga din higa! No. Ang hirap niya haluin kasi parang ice cream na din yung ano niya, yung ice.
Lalo na siya.
Another one na matamis, Diyos ko po. May lahi ng diabetes.
Cause baby in your absence life is boring. So I'll never leave.
Smiley
It's easier to
Smiley ka, ha?
find my side. Shining
Hi Ellie, it's park day guys. Hi! Run si Mimo, run! Why are you eating already?
I'm hungry.
Ba't wala naman yun?
Yeah, nagpapabot. Hi!
Puro po yung tayo, kalayo pa.
Sorry, ano ba ako?
May kagat mo na. Naku, nandiyan na po sa shh. fighting. No fighting. No. No, you. Hold this. Hold this. I'm just taking a rest.
You're taking a rest? Yeah, because you will be tired in Dubai. Ano? We will walk and walk. It's gonna be a I'm Hi guys! It's February 17 and we're currently here sa Dubai Mall. And I thought I have a meeting ng 1 to 2 p.m. here. So napahiwalay ako sa kanila. So now, hahanapin ko sila. I need to find where the fountain is. We're just walking with my coffee. Kasi I thought meron kaming meeting. Pero wala pala. So, ayun. Kaya din ako umiwalay sa kanila actually. Kasi akala ko nga may meeting ako. Pero wala pala akong meeting. So, ngayon, hinahanap ko sila. Finding Nemo ang atake natin dito. Hi guys! Finally!
Yummy!
Color ice cream.
Yummy! Ice cream vanilla.
It's free!
I wanna know what you listen to when you lay in bed alone.
Oo, ayaw kong padaanin ni Kuya.
It's not raining!
Pero, kasha na siya.
2 seconds later.
We hold it this time.
Boy, boy, sky.
Boy Boy's turn? It's okay, it's okay. Nagawin na sila. Hold. Ano ya? Anong pushcart? Ha?
Let's go.
Cheers na cheers! Cheers! Ano? Ay, tapos tama na yung kalpadet. Ay,
Just only one bite none, okay? Okay, there you go.
Thank you, Boboy. Say thank you, Boboy. Yay!